I'm going to show you how to make a very simple Pong game in Scratch. So let's get started. First, I'm just going to delete these. I'm going to search for paddle. So then we can duplicate this. Now let's just call it Pong. So on the player sprite, we want the green flag clicked. So you want it forever. Set its Y to like the mouse Y. So now let's try it. Look, it's going to the mouse now. Okay. Now we need to make another sprite. We need to get the ball. So when green flag clicked, we want it to go to 0, 0, which is the center. And then we want it to point in direction. No, like we want it, we want it to point in direction, and then we get a pick random, maybe, yeah, minus 45 to 45, and then forever, we want it to move 10 steps, and then if it's on the edge, we want it to bounce. Now in there, let's add an if. So if we are touching, get the touching block, get an OR block, put the OR in there, duplicate it. So if we're touching the sprite 1, which is the player, or we are touching the sprite 2, which is the enemy player, then we want it to turn in between about 200 and 235. Yeah, 200 and between those two numbers. Now for this sprite, when green flag clicked, forever, this time we want to set the Y, go to sensing, scroll down, get the backdrop number of stage block, set it to ball, so the X position of ball. Now let's just reposition it to be like that. Now let's try it out. Yeah, it's working. Now we should make it a bit better. Let's add a backdrop. Gonna just choose this neon tunnel, and then don't forget to save at the end. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe and like it. Bye.